Welcome to the NANO-X Dished SV, designed and developed by the Cheeky Peak Brewery team. Suited for both hobbyist brewers or for a dedicated pilot brewery, when moving through the design process, we have incorporated specific features to outperform similar large-scale SV systems in the market today. These design features include a 150 litre final batch size to maximise output on a single brew day without the need to double batch. A cost-effective large-scale single-vessel brew system so you can brew large volumes of beer on a cost-effective budget. An extremely small footprint that doesn't require the need for additional bench space so your system can fit anywhere within your brewery. A system design that reduces your wastage and increases your overall brewhouse efficiency. An intuitive design that allows you to clean and maintain your system in an extremely efficient manner. The inclusion of multiple system components that reduce the need for constant monitoring so you can complete other brewery tasks. A system that integrates mobility so you can easily move and store your system anywhere within your brewery. And finally, a user-friendly system so you can get brewing immediately with easy installation and without the need for complicated functionality. To demonstrate how we have incorporated these features, today we're going to take you through a full build overview of the NANO-X SV dished brew system. Central to the brew system is the 3mm 304SS platform which connects into the four legs to create a fully mobile brew system. The heavy-duty caster wheels allow you to move the system with ease around your brewery for use and storage. This platform is also dual purpose for housing the brew system pump and mash recirculation manifold. A 1.5 inch triclover bulkhead is installed onto the platform which allows the brew system pump to attach. The intuitive design of this platform has meant that we have been able to eliminate the need for additional bench space to house the dedicated brew pump. Ensure this bulkhead is fixed tightly to the platform using a shifter if required. The brew pump will come with the triclover pump bracket, which then allows you to simply attach on the pump to the platform with the triclover clamp and seal. This convenient design then allows you to easily remove your pump for any required maintenance or cleaning. Ensure the pump is attached on tightly to reduce any movement throughout your brew day. Onto the outlet of the brew pump, a T-piece manifold is attached. This manifold will house both your mash recirculation and whirlpool operations. Onto the inlet of the brew pump, you will connect the included inlet brewery hose. A whirlpool valve is now attached to the manifold. This valve will be dual purpose for both your whirlpool, chilling and fermented transfer operations. This specific design creates an easy access point when you begin the whirlpool, chilling and transfer process. A flow valve is then attached to the top end of the manifold. This valve will allow you to have easy control of the mash recirculation flow rate. To further improve the control of your mash recirculation flow rate, a 304SS triclover flow meter is included. This flow meter gives the brewer easy control over the flow rate of their mash recirculation, meaning they can precisely dial in their required flow rate. It also gives the brewer an easy access point for quick monitoring of their flow rate away from the system without having to remove the mash tun lid. Onto the outlet of the flow meter, an insulated silicone hose is connected and directed into the inlet of the 304SS malt pipe. You can now see the mash recirculation flow path is directed through the flow meter and into the inlet of the malt pipe. On the inside of the malt pipe, the 304SS shower ball recirculation kit is installed. This shower ball provides a gentle shower over the surface of your grain bed to provide a uniform flow and improve your brewhouse efficiency. The intuitive non-fixed design of the shower ball means a CIP ball can quickly be installed ready for your clean-in-place process after brewing. There are 3 accessory ports to fit out on the main 170 litre dished kettle. A dual sight glass and racking valve is installed first and is the main point from where you will draw liquid for mash recirculation, whirlpooling, chilling and transferring processes. This location for drawing liquid is important for mash recirculation as it ensures your grain bed does not suck in and can pack to potentially cause a stuck mash. The integrated sight glass gives the brewer an easy visual point to monitor wort during the mash recirculation, whirlpool and transferring processes. A thermo-well is installed into the central triclover port. This thermo-well is dedicated for housing the temperature probe for the included NANO-Boss touchscreen controller. A whirlpool port is installed to conduct whirlpooling processes and ensure a maximum amount of hops and trub is settled for removal through the dish bottom before your chilling and fermented transfer begins. This whirlpooling process helps to increase the volume of wort that is transferred into your fermenter. On the front end of the racking valve, a manifold is attached to house a dedicated ball lock flush port. After the mash recirculation process is complete, this flush port allows any remaining wort in the lines to be flushed out to further reduce any wort wastage. The pump inlet hose is connected to the outlet on this racking valve manifold. Once connected, you can see the mash recirculation flow path from the sight glass racking valve into the pump, up through the flow meter and into the shower ball recirculation kit. After mashing operations are complete, the integrated flush port can then be utilised to flush through any remaining wort from the pump and brewery lines to decrease any wastage throughout your brew day. Simply connect up a gas disconnect and turn on to push through the remaining wort. A sight glass butterfly valve kit is installed onto the dish bottom of the NANO-X SV brew system. The dish bottom design means volume losses throughout your brewing process are kept to an absolute minimum, improving your overall brew house efficiency, which becomes extremely important when aiming to increase your wort volume output. This kit allows you to first remove all unwanted trub before utilising to pick up the last remaining wort for transfer into your fermenter. The other important factor of the dish design is the ability to perform complete clean-in-place operations without the need to pick up the heavy vessels for draining. Simply open the valve and your SV brew system completely drains, ready for storage. An optional add-on feature on the NANO-X SV brew system is the electric winch and crossbar kit. 4 thick 304SS anchor points are welded into the malt pipe for easy integration of a lifting mechanism to remove the malt pipe for grain disposal. The full mobility of the SV brew system means that once the malt pipe is removed, the system can be wheeled away to allow the placement of the malt pipe at ground level for easy grain disposal. An additional accessory port is located at the top of the SV brew system, which can be utilised for options such as a dedicated fill port if required. The NANO-X SV brew system is controlled through the NANO-Boss touchscreen controller. This is the heart of the system to run all your mash, boil and whirlpool operations with an easy to operate touchscreen interface. Mash profile automation is integrated into the control system to reduce the need for constant monitoring and adjustments throughout your mash. On top of the automation and easy to use interface, temperature is precisely controlled with the integrated PID heating technology and boil rate management, which increases the energy efficient manner of the system. For more information on the NANO-X SV dish brew system, please visit us online at cheekypeakbrewery.com.au or email us at info@cheekypeakbrewery.com.au.